What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting at $1.56. We're down about 1.5 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 11.24 billion for our volume 1.06 billion. So just a quick price analysis here, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame, guys. So we're still holding support of $1.50. If I quickly pop over to the hourly time frame, let's see what we can see on our indicators here. So we have a nice bullish divergence on the indicators. You can see we're creating lower lows while creating higher lows on the 1-hour RSI, which can signify a short-term reversal in the trend, guys. However, we have lost this ascending level of support from this ascending triangle pattern. So your technical target to the downside is all the way down here at $1.24. So if we can't hold support here at $1.50, do expect us to come down here to $1.24. However, guys, if we take our Fibonacci here and we go from this previous low up to the swing high, you can see we wicked right down to the 1.618 absolutely perfectly. And in many cases, when you hit the 1.618, you see a little bit of a retracement. Even if you're in a downtrend, you can come back up to where you started and then hit resistance and see continuation of the downtrend. However, if we do come back up and break about $1.61, do expect us to retest this level of support as resistance, coming in at $1.74 for our friend Matic. So we're going to jump over to our next chart here, which is on the daily time frame. I have noticed a head and shoulders, guys. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So you can drop in your neckline. And what you do is you measure it from the top of your pattern all the way down to the base. So if this level of support is broken at about $1.48, guys, your technical target to the downside would bring Matic all the way back down to this low here, very close to it, at about 72 cents. So what we can do is use our Fibonacci as well and take it from the summer low all the way up to our high here. And you can see currently we are underneath the 0.382, and your main level of support to watch here for Matic is of course the golden ratio, coming in at about $1.12. Let me just quickly change these colors here. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. All right, perfect. Coming in at $1.12, because if you lose that level of support, guys, you're reversing the trend. You come back down to where you started, all the way back down at about 63 cents. So we will go over the bullish scenario as well. And the bullish scenario is we hold this level of support, we create a large double bottom pattern, we come back up to test this level of resistance at about 204, and we see a nice breakout to the upside. But and same thing, you measure it from the bottom, you take it to your point of breakout. Could take Matic all the way back up to about $3.20. So just watch this level of support, guys. It needs to hold if the bulls are going to have any chance of pushing the price back up. We are back underneath the EMAs on the daily, guys. So if we just come up and hit them as resistance and continue to roll over, your next levels of support are coming in about $1.34, the 0.5, and then the golden ratio here at $1.12. If you look at Matic on the weekly, you can see we do have a bearish divergence. We created a higher high while creating a significantly lower high on the RSI, as well as a bearish cross on the money flow. So if we are looking to come all the way back down to oversold on the weekly time frame, I would expect Matic to come all the way back down to $1.05. And quite possibly the low here at about 80 cents. We wicked all the way down to about 62 cents, but we have some structural support here at about 80 cents for Matic. If we were to come all the way back down to those levels, incredible buying opportunity in my opinion, not financial advice. However, we could also find support on the 55 EMA, which is coming in at $1.30. We do have a beautiful descending broadening wedge. You can see we came right up and we hit it as resistance perfectly. So if we were to come up and break that level of resistance, your technical target is up at the previous high at about $2.90 for Matic. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, guys, you can see we came right down to the golden ratio with our Fibonacci pulled from this swing low up to this swing high. So this is your key level of support. If we are going to see a continuation of an uptrend and we simply put in a correction here, Bitcoin has to hold 37.5K. And then your next major levels of resistance, in my opinion, would be up here at about 41,000. You can see the resistance right here, as well as major resistance, previous level of support. So that would act as a major level of resistance, in my opinion, for Bitcoin, coming in at about the high 40,000s, about 41K. If you break that, you could head all the way back up to your high here at about 45,000. But Bitcoin has to hold this support, guys. If this support is lost, you are creating a reversal wave. You come all the way back down to where you started at about 33,000. And then you target the 1.272, which is coming in about 30K, the 1.414 at 28.8, the 1.618 at 26.9. And that basically lines up with these previous lows, guys. Just as if you're in an uptrend, if you get back above the golden ratio, higher likelihood you're going to come up to where you started. And then your 1.272 and your 1.618, exact same thing in a downtrend, guys. You break the golden ratio, higher likelihood you're coming back down to where you started. And then you have your technical targets to the downside. For Bitcoin. So the greatest hope for the bulls is that we hold this low, we create a higher low, and you see a breakout back to the upside. But if we simply come up, we get rejected, and we start rolling, do expect us to retest the low of 33,000, which of course will bring Matic down with it. All right, guys, that's basically it for Matic. We've had 4 entries, and our next buy zone sitting at about $1.24. And if we do come down, guys, it's perfectly okay. We continue to get more money into our trade, and we wait for the slingshot back up. All right, guys, if we do bounce here, just watch this level of resistance from this ascending trend line coming in at about $1.71, and then your next major level of resistance would be all the way back up at 191 for our friend Matic. That's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, incredible members in here posting chart patterns. It's the price of a coffee, guys, $3.50 USD, as well as we have the DCA trade strategy, the live DCA trades on the channel here, and buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your altcoin positions based off support, resistance, Fibonacci, price of a coffee, slice of pizza. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. You can follow me on IG if you want to keep up with my personal life, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.